Alright, Lazarus here is showing us the 2-inch swivel stair tool. How's it feel, Laz?
Good.
It looks like it's comfortable as heck.
It is real light too.
Real light? Let me steal from this side. Let the guys see. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Are you kidding me right now? Look. Oh my. It's just going right over the edge. Just like ease. Oh man. How's the swivel feel on that thing, Laz? Nice and smooth. I want to see you do that riser and let everybody see how you don't have to arch your back. Oh, you got to be kidding me, right? I gotta let him. Look at that. Oh, man. Still feeling good? Cutting right through that dirt, huh? You should see it on camera. It's just cutting right through it. Using Soap Daddy's Prime Time. This is fresh linen. Smelling all good. This is the new Swivel 2-inch stair tool. Just give them a little swiggle right there, a little swivel. Oh, look, nice and easy. Oh, man. You guys can get one of these for $3.75 plus shipping. If you want it customized color, it's an additional $75. Just give our office a call, 484-420-7220. Get you one of these 2-inch swivel stair tools.